Works at Disney Springs. It is their grand opening, so we're gonna give you guys first look inside. Before we head in for dinner, let's give you guys a look of outside. Now it is right next to the NBA Experience on the west side of Disney Springs, next to the Cirque du Soleil building, as you can see. There's a small bar section right here. You see the seats. Hi. Now there is outdoor seating and inside as well. Got some high top tables, some low tables as well. Got this lighting out here. There's another little bar section here on the end. We'll go take a look at that. Now there's nobody out here at the bar yet because they are not officially open. They should be opening here in a few moments. So good chance to look. You can see there's a drinks to go section there. We've got nice outdoor seating. It's kind of breezy today. You might hear that in the video. Drinks to go. This place has an amazing amount of beers. There are over 70 beers. Of course, they have drinks and food. Pretty long bar section here. You guys a full look. Now we'll head inside, take a look at all the indoor seating, TV screens, everything they have to offer inside CityWorks. We've already had a little look inside and we can tell you it's really beautiful. We've already even tried some of the food and what we've had is delicious, so we're excited for dinner here. Here's the menu outside here. There are doors that'll lead you into where the NBA Experience and the NBA store are. Those are on this side. As soon as you enter, you'll find there is some merchandise. They've got cups, they've got sweatshirts, they've got t-shirts, they've got hats, bottle openers. Now they have over 70 types of beer. There are 2 signs on each end of the bar that have lists of those beers. They are in categories as well. There is a beautiful, very long bar here. We also noticed there are outlets and USB outlets here. Tons of TV screens. You can see this bar seating filled up pretty quickly. You can see all those taps back there.
We gotta keep
We've
track
got
of that.
quite a variety. Show you the other board with the other beers on this side. Very bright in here. You can see there's a lot of windows. There are more TVs on this side. More seating. A lot of tables over here. Now you can see that corner bar. It's not actually open on the inside here, so that is only accessible from the outside. It's on the corner by Cirque du Soleil. The seating is beautiful. You've got these bench kind of seats, as well as the tables. You see those tables outside. We've got high top tables. We've got kind of these booth tables here. Very open. So there's also a smaller bar here. This one connects with that outside seating. So that bar window right by the entrance, there's also bar seating on the inside. So we've already tried a few things on the menu and everything was delicious. So we're gonna go check out the rest of the menu. So stay tuned for our full review from CityWorks.